to this video. What I'm going to do for you, I am going to share some products with you that are great for helping your skin to look better, healthier, and also giving you a natural glow. The first product that I'm going to share is a facial toner. Now, when it comes onto your skin need hydration. Hydration, especially when you're moving into the colder months. I have two suggestions here for you. I have an anti-aging facial toner from Khichi Beauty Skincare, and I also have some green tea coconut water facial toner. Now, when you use a facial toner on the skin, it balances the natural pH levels of the skin. However, guys, there are different type of toners. Now, these two are leave on. You're not rinsing them off. You're leaving them on the skin to hydrate the skin. Not only hydrating the skin, but they have ingredients that can help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines, and also they let your skincare products work better on the skin. So here we have the coconut water green tea facial toner, and you can see this one is it is very much water based. Since it's have the coconut water in it, it's very hydrating, and look how my skin is just drinking this up. It just drink up like that. And this is a facial toner that anyone can use on their skin regardless of your age and your skin type. It's organic, it's natural, and you can see it there, organic facial toner. Now this facial toner also have hyaluronic acid in it, which lock the moisture in the skin. The green tea, the antioxidant from the green tea, help to reduce the wrinkles and fine lines and boost the collagen and elastin in the skin. So when you put it on your skin, when you spray it on your skin, you are not only hydrating the skin, but you're treating your skin. And this is the green tea coconut water facial toner. And now we are going to move on to the Supreme Age Renewal Anti-Aging Toner. This one is a treatment toner for your skin, and you're going to see the difference with this one compared to the other one. Look at that. This one is more like a serum. This is not a rinse off. You are going to wash your face, and then you are going to apply 2 to 3 drops on the skin. Look at this toner here. This glides on the skin like a serum. As a matter of fact, if you use this toner and you don't have any serum, guys, you are good to go because it's a treatment for your skin. Look at that. Look at that glow to the skin. And it's just hydrating the skin. Your skin is just thanking you for it. Look at my skin just drink it up. But the difference with this one, if you notice, it leave a glow. And if I touch it like this, I'm feeling a moisture to it because it is an anti-aging toner that's not going to dry your skin out, but going to leave your skin fully hydrated. You can get these on my website. I'm definitely going to put a link or click on that handbag right on your screen, guys. And as a matter of fact, I'm going to tag them on the screen so you can click on the tag link, and that's how you can go ahead and purchase it right away. And of course, when you get in our store, you look, there's discount codes all over for you. So these two toners, guys, you can choose to use this one at night. You can choose to use this one in the daytime. However, they both can use either AM or PM on the skin. And I spritz that toner on my skin, and my skin just drink it up like that, guys. Just drink it up like that. Anti-aging facial toner that you need this time of the year. You do not want your skin to be drying out. And even if you live somewhere where you're going through the summer month right now, go ahead and put these in your refrigerator, and just spritz them on the skin cold. Make your skin just feel relaxed. Make your skin just feel smooth. So we have our coconut water green tea. Let me focus. There it is. Coconut water green tea facial toner, and we have our Supreme Age Renewal Anti-Aging Toner. Now this toner, guys, is from an anti-aging set. It's from a full set, which is this set right here. This is the anti-aging full set, which comes with the facial cleanser, and this is the cleanser right here. It also comes with the toner, which I'm just sharing right now, and it didn't stop there. It also comes with a serum, and the serum, here is the serum right here. This is the serum. It comes with a serum, and this is the serum right here, and it comes with 2 creams. Well, 3 creams: an eye cream, a day cream, and a night cream. So it's a full 6-piece set that you can use on their skin if you want to take the guesswork out of it and straight forward set. However, you can buy all of these products individually, one by one, and mix and match. All right. So there it is, the toner. Now, after you apply your toner on the skin, you definitely need a serum. All right. You need a serum. And tonight I am going to feature 2 serums for you. And I am going to feature a hyaluronic acid serum. This is the hyaluronic acid serum, and this is our Supreme Age Renewal Anti-Aging Serum. So you are going to use this hyaluronic acid serum in the daytime, and you're going to use your Supreme Age Renewal Serum at night. Why are you using serum on the skin? Now you want a heavier serum on your skin at night, which this one is going to do that for you. And you want a much lighter serum, but a serum that's still going to lock moisture in the skin in the daytime, which is our hyaluronic acid serum right here, rejuvenating hyaluronic acid serum. So all you need is 2 to 3 drops on the skin after you use your toner with this serum. This serum contains potato starch. That means it have to tighten and firm the skin. It also have a bit of a hyaluronic acid in it. It have glycerin. Of course, you know, glycerin, you need glycerin on the skin to keep it hydrated. It also contains hibiscus flowers, the potato starch, which I just mentioned. It also contains a collagen. All right. So it is jam-packed with ingredients that when you use it on the skin, it's going to tighten the skin and reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. And the hyaluronic acid. Now, this is a serum. It's in a serum form. That means it do have other ingredients mixed in with the hyaluronic acid, and that's what makes it great for your daytime skincare. It have water in it, which is the first ingredient, meaning it is water based. It also have aloe vera gel, and of course the hyaluronic acid is in it. So guys, definitely a serum to use to prevent water from escaping from the skin. Now, once you have your serum on the skin, guys, we are gonna move on, and there are other serums that you can use on the skin. We're just featuring 2 serums tonight that you can use on the skin to help your skin at this time of the year, and that is our hyaluronic acid serum and our anti-aging supreme facial serum. Now we are moving on to moisturizer. At this time of the year, guys, you need to just lay on those moisturizer on the skin. Now we are gonna feature 2 moisturizer for you tonight, but go ahead and use the moisturizer that you have. All right, use the moisturizer that you already have at home. So first, before we get to the moisturizer, let's talk about the neck a little bit. Okay, so here we have our neck cream. This is the neck cream. It's an ultra repair neck affirming cream. Ultra repair neck affirming cream. Okay, here it is. Here it is outside of the box. Now you need to take care of your neck just as how you take care of your face. All right, take care of your neck. Scrub your neck, exfoliate your neck, and you can use any form of a little brush or so to scrub your neck. And if it's very dark, darker than you'd like it to be, go ahead and put some dark spot corrector on the neck. It's gonna lighten the neck. This dark spot corrector lighten the neck, clear up that dark neck, underarms, and you name it. Anywhere you're looking to lighten it, you use a dark spot corrector. And then for your neck cream, you are gonna reach for your neck cream, and I'm just taking a little bit of the neck cream like this, put it in your hands, and you are gonna just massage it on your neck. You're gonna massage, 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 and you can load up products on the neck. And if you do not have a neck cream, the same cream that you use on your face, use it on your neck. But it's good to have a neck affirming cream like this one. This is from the Khichi Beauty brand, Ultra Repair Neck Affirming Cream. And once you use this neck cream, it have to tighten the neck. It have to get rid of the sagging neck, and it also helps your neck to look younger, because the older you get, you all know our neck start to get crepey looking and all of that. So we want to fix it, and we're fixing it with our Ultra Firming Neck Cream. Now we're not stopping there. Once we do the neck, guys, and of course, you know, you need to do your eyes. So you're going to use an eye cream. Before I get to the eye cream, let me continue with our moisturizer. So here I have two moisturizer, which is good for this time of the year. This is our collagen cream. This is it right here, Super Boots Repairing Collagen Cream. And we have our anti-aging Supreme Age Renewal Night Cream. This cream is loaded with ingredients that is good for your skin. Using it on your skin at night help to tighten and firm. You apply it on the skin. You want your skin to look lifted. You want the skin to look firm. You want the skin to look radiant. You want to give your skin that natural glow. So you just use the cream. You press it on the skin after the serum. Press it on your neck and décolleté also. And you are going to wake up in the morning looking amazing. You need to give it 6 weeks, guys. So you use it every night. You want to focus on your skin to keep it looking healthy. You want that glass-like look. You want that tighter look. You want that firmer look. This is it right here, our anti-aging night cream. Now here we have the collagen cream, guys. Now when you use a collagen cream on the skin, it helps your skin to look plumper. And I like to share a little trick that I do with my collagen cream really fast. This is the collagen cream. I take the collagen cream like this, and I like to use it in the daytime. I press it on my skin, all over my skin, and then I go back in with the collagen cream on my finger just a little bit, and I put it in my laugh lines like this. I like to put, as a matter of fact, let me just put it on one side. I put it on my laugh line like this, and once I put it in the laugh line, then I just massage it in the laugh line. And this I do before I go out. I just massage it in the laugh line, massage it in the laugh line for about a minute or so. Look at that. You can see like it just help my laugh line not to look that deep, and it also give my cheek area a nice plumper appearance. That's why I love this collagen cream in the daytime. And this collagen cream is more on the thicker side, and it hold the skin and it hold the water in the skin and give your skin that nice hydration that you're looking for, that plumpness, that youthful glow to the skin. So go ahead and grab any one of these. Is the Supreme Age Renewal Night Cream that you use at night, and also the Super Boots Collagen Cream that you use in the daytime. And that is it, guys. However, for those of you who have very dry skin, and even if you don't have dry skin like me, I like to use an oil on my skin. So tonight I am going to share our turmeric oil. This is it. This is a luxurious turmeric oil, guys. This is not your regular turmeric oil. It's some white turmeric oil that we make, and we mix it with like Morocco oil, guys. Just a little bit with the turmeric to give it this amazing feel. It's just great for the skin, and all you need is 1 to 2 drops over your moisturizer. 1-2 drops. And look how this turmeric oil gonna work on my skin now, guys. Look at that. And it feel like velvet when you apply it on the skin. And it's not only moisturizing the skin, but it is reducing wrinkles and fine lines, and it is also clearing the skin to give you that natural glow. And it don't leave your skin dry, not dry but oily. Don't leave your skin oily. It just leave your skin with a nice glow to it. Look at that, guys. You can see no oily. This is the one I use it on. This is the one that I didn't. And you can see that you can hardly tell the difference, because this just give you this nice glow. In terms of oiliness, you're not seeing it looking shiny. It just make it look nice and matte. That's what we like with this turmeric. So you can grab this turmeric. We're going to put it in the description, or you can click on the handbag on this video and you'll find this product. So let's recap of what we shared with you. So we share our green tea coconut water toner. We also share the Supreme Age Renewal toner. We share our collagen cream and our Supreme Age Renewal cream. We also share our Supreme Age Renewal serum and our hyaluronic acid serum. And then we share our oil, which is our turmeric oil. So those are ingredients, guys, that you can use on the skin, especially in the winter months, to help to transform the skin. In the colder time, guys, you want your skin to stay hydrated, you want your skin to look good, you want your skin to feel good, you want to look younger, and you also want to age gracefully. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give us a like, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, this is your time to do so. Subscribe so that you can transform your skin to a more healthy, glowing skin, because that's what we do over here. We share these tips with you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Now that you make it this far, go ahead and watch another video. I'm going to leave 2 links somewhere right here. Click on any one of these, guys. Watch another video, comment, and also click on the handbag and go to our store and browse around. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.